Worshipful Master, I congratulate you on your ascension to this high and honor seat. The duties incumbent upon you in your exalted station are fraught with great responsibility. Remember that the honor, reputation, and usefulness of your life will materially depend upon the skill and assiduity which you manage is concerned, and that the happiness of its members will be generally promoted in proportion to the watchful care with which you cherish the genuine principles of our institution. For a pattern of imitation, consider the great luminary of nature, which rising in the east regularly diffuses light and luster to all within the circle. In like manner, it is your promise to spread and communicate light and instruction to the brethren of the lodge. Forcibly impress upon them the dignity and high importance of masonry, and seriously admonish them never to disgrace it. Charge them to practice out of the lodge those duties which they have been taught in it, and by amiable, discreet, and virtuous conduct to convince mankind of the goodness of this institution, so that when a person is said to be a member of it, the world may know that he is one to whom the burdened heart may pour out the sorrow, one to whom distress may prefer a suit, one whose